everyone, welcome to another edition of the Microsoft Entra Learning Series. My name is David Herster, and I'm a Principal Product Manager with the Microsoft Security Customer Experience Engineering team.
And my name is Yoel Horwitz. I'm a Product Manager with the Microsoft Security Customer Experience Engineering team.
In this video, we'll show you how to allow users to sign into your application with Facebook accounts using Azure Active Directory for customers. We'll start with a quick overview of the Sign In with Facebook experience. We'll demonstrate signing in with Facebook using the Woodgrove demo web application. And finally, we'll show you how to register a Facebook application and configure your Azure AD for Customers tenant using the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. With Azure AD for Customers, users can sign into your application with credentials from social identity providers such as Facebook and Google. So you can offer your customers the ability to sign in with their existing Facebook account without having to create a new account just for your application. For the demo, we'll use the Woodgrove Groceries demo application. Woodgrove Groceries is a global retail food store that has integrated with Azure Active Directory for customers for their online food shopping application. Navigate to the Woodgrove Groceries demo application at wggdemo.net. From the header, select the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, select the Facebook button. Log into your Facebook account. When users log into your Facebook application, they should allow Azure AD access to a subset of that person's data stored in Facebook. For example, the user's name. To consent and proceed, select Continue. The first time you sign in with Facebook, you will be asked to create a Woodgrove Groceries account. Azure Active Directory doesn't manage the Facebook credentials. They are managed only by Facebook. Provide your display name. Provide your given name and surname, and other information requested by Woodgrove. Select Next to create the account. Great! You've signed in and your name appears in the header. Selecting your name from the menu shows the security token that was returned to the Woodgrove application by Azure Active Directory for customers. It indicates that you signed in with a Facebook account. Now, let me hand you over to Yoel to show you how to register a Facebook application and configure Facebook as an identity provider in your Azure AD for Customers tenant.
To allow the sign-in with Facebook, you start by registering a Facebook application. This application sets a trust between your Azure Active Directory for Customers and Facebook. Navigate to developers.facebook.com/apps. Sign in with your Facebook developer account. Select Create App. From the Create App page, select Other and then Next. For the Select an App type, select Consumer and then select Next. Enter an app name. Provide your contact email. Select Create App. This step may require you to sign in again. From the menu, select Settings and then Basic. Copy the value of the app ID. Select Show and copy the value of the app secret. You will use both of them to configure the Facebook as identity provider in your Azure Active Directory for Customers tenant. The app secret is an important security credential. Keep it safe. Enter your application domain name. Provide a privacy policy URL of a web page that provides information about your application. Enter a term of service URL of a web page that provides terms and conditions for your application. Enter a data deletion URL of a web page that provides users a way to request their data be deleted. Upload your application icon. Choose a category, for example, Business and Pages. At the bottom of the page, select Add Profile. Select Website. And then select Next. For the site URL, enter the address of your website. Select Save Changes. From the menu, next to Products, select the Add Product link. Under the Add Product to your app, under Facebook Login, select Setup. From the menu, under the Facebook Login, select Settings. For the valid auth redirect URIs, enter the URLs where Facebook may return the access token to Azure Active Directory for customers. To get the URL, you need both your tenant name and tenant ID. Open Microsoft Entra Admin Center at entra.microsoft.com. From the Azure Active Directory overview page, copy the Azure ID for Customers tenant ID and add it to the URL. Repeat the process for the tenant name. For more information about the redirect URI, check out our documentation. Now, add the redirect URI to the Facebook application. Select Save Changes to update the application. If you get a warning about the public profile permissions, from the menu select App Review and select Permissions and Features. Then, find the public profile permission and select the Get Advanced Access button. Confirm the advanced access to public profile. If you open the Facebook login settings, this warning should disappear. To make your Facebook application publicly available, turn the App Mode selector to Live. You may need to review and consent to the Facebook policies. After the Facebook application is registered, you need to add the Facebook Identity Provider to your Azure Active Directory for Customers tenant. Go back to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. From the menu, select External Identities. Select All Identity Providers, and then select Facebook. For the client ID, enter the app ID of the Facebook application you created. For the client secret, enter the app secret of the Facebook application you created. Select Save. At this time, the Facebook Identity Provider has been set in your tenant, but it's not yet available in any of the sign-in pages. You need to add the Facebook sign-in option to your user flow. From the menu, select User Flows. Then select the user flow you want to add the Facebook sign-in option. Under the Identity Providers, select Facebook. Select Save to save the changes. That's it. Your user flow is ready to use. No need to make any changes to your applications.
In this video, you learned how to federate your Azure Active Directory for Customers tenant with the Facebook Identity Provider. It started by registering a Facebook app, then adding the Facebook Identity Provider to your tenant, and finally enabling the Sign In with Facebook option in your user flow. And we also demonstrated the Sign In with Facebook user experience.
To discover the latest updates, developer content, and resources for Azure Active Directory for customers, go to aka.ms/ciam/dev. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.